Welcome back, I'm Chiang. Today we will install 7-Zip on Windows. 7-Zip is very lightweight and powerful software for extract and compress file. And the most important thing is free to download and use. Now we will download 7-Zip installation file. If you want to see whether 7-Zip suits for you, you can just skip download and installation part first. To download 7-Zip installation file, we can go to 7-Zip official website 7-zip.org. Now we can see here have 3 variants for Windows version. Which variant we are going to choose? I guess you have Intel or AMD CPU, so you choose 64 bits x64 variant. If 64 bits didn't work on your PC, then you can try with 32 bit x86. But if you have Snapdragon CPU, then you need to select 64 bits ARM64. My PC is run on Intel CPU, so I will download 64 bit. Now we click the exe file downloaded just now to install 7-Zip. And then we choose the file path to install 7-Zip. Then we click install button. Now we completed installation. I recommend to restart your PC before start your zip. Now we try to open some compressed file with 7-Zip. In this folder we have 7-Zip, zip, vim, and tar file. All these file types are supported by 7-Zip. Now we will extract all the file with 7-Zip. First we try with 7-Zip file. To extract file, we simply right-click the file. For Windows 11 system, we need one more step. Click Show More option. Then you can see 7-Zip in the option. Hover your mouse. It will show some option. If you select Open Archive, you will see the content in this 7-Zip file. You can click Extract button to extract all the file in this 7-Zip file. You can also extract some of the file by highlighting the file you want to extract and click Extract button. Then select the file location you want to save the file. Then you can see the extract file is inside here. We also able to alter the compressed file directly without decompressing. Like if you want to delete some file in this 7-Zip file, you highlight it and click delete button. And if you want to add some file into this 7-Zip file, you just drag and drop. Next, we try with zip file. We select extract file, then you are going to select the file location to save the extracted file. The file extracted just now is here. Now, let's try with WIM file. We select extract here this time. Then it will extract the file into current folder. Last, we try with tar file. We extract to files, then it will save to new folder called file. The file extract is here, so the current folder will not become messy. After we learn extract and alter compressed file with 7-Zip, now we are going to create compressed file. We are going to compress all the file in this folder. We highlight it and right click. You can pick Add to file to compress.7z or add to file to compress.zip. If you just want compress to 7z or zip format without compress setting. But I more prefer with add to archive option. You can pick a name for your file. And archive format, either you want 7z, tar, vim or zip. You also able to select your compression level and compression method. If you want to encrypt your compressed file, you can add password and select encryption method here. Now, I set my password as 17 hang and AES256 as my encryption method. Then we click OK and just wait it to finish the compress. Now, the file we compressed just now is here. We open it now using Open Archive. You may notice that we no need password to open this archive, but if you want to extract, you need password, or you want to access the file inside the compressed file, you also need the password. And for deleting the file inside here, you need password to delete it. Next, we're going to try checksum function in 7-zip. It is useful when we download some file from unknown mirror server. We can do checksum to check if the file altered. Now, we try with Kali Linux system image. We open Kali Linux official website. So we click here. We click here to get the checksum value from official site. And if you're interested to install Kali Linux on virtual machine, you may watch my previous video show installation Kali Linux on Workstation Player 16. Now let's continue. We right-click the system image. Then we select CRC SHA, SHA256. We try to compare both of them. You can see that both of them are sent, so means that the file is sent as original file from official website. Today, we're gonna to end here. Remember to press like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.